5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start.
Karnataka, which has faced an overall rain deficit of about 68%, will submit a report to the center in about 15 days, but only after a comprehensive ground situation survey by the district officials across the state, Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar said on Sunday. Full stop. Next para. Double noted, start. We have asked for a comprehensive field survey in all 178 taluks, of which 158 taluks have received very average rainfall, and 20 taluks have not received rainfall at all. Full stop. The drought situation in the Vijayanagara district is grim, I have asked for a field survey because I do not believe just reports. Full stop. They will also videograph the field surveys, double noted, close, the chief minister said in his post cabinet briefing. Full stop. Next para. We have requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to send a central team for assessment. Full stop. Last year, we had submitted the report to the center in August bar September. Full stop. The teams were sent much later, he added. Full stop. Next para. He said that the water storage is about 40% of what was there last year and is sufficient for drinking water needs, comma, and that an average of 40% of the water is available for idle electricity. Full stop. Next para. The state cabinet met here after the chief minister reviewed the drought conditions, comma, fodder and water availability with the deputy commissioners and the chief executive officers of the Jilla Panchayats. Full stop. Next para. He said that in about 3,235 tanks of the total 3,817 tanks under the minor irrigation department, comma, the water storage is less than 50%, comma, and of the 32,504 tanks under Jilla Panchayats, comma, 27,450 tanks have less than 50% storage. Full stop. Next para. The drought reports should be based on field visits. Full stop. When the central team visits the state, comma, they should be given proper reports, comma, he said. Full stop. Next para. Earlier, comma, issuing a stern warning to the deputy commissioners and chief executive officers against slacking or negligence in handling the drought situation, comma, the chief minister said that drinking water comma, fodder for animals, comma, insurance for crop losses, comma, and the sinking of bore wells to mitigate water problems in rural areas should be the top priority. Full stop. Next para. He asked officials to undertake field visits rather than being dependent on paperwork and data. Full stop. Farmers should not suffer because of official apathy, comma, he added. Full stop. Double unit, comma. We are not here to seek paperwork. Full stop. All the data and statistics will be cross checked. Will the ground reality. Full stop. So don't just give numbers without verification. Double ended comma close. Full stop. Next para. He said showing is at 32%, comma, and except for about 6 districts, open bracket, of the total 31 districts in the state, close bracket, comma. All other districts are facing deficit rainfall. Full stop. Water levels in reservoirs are staring at deed storage. Full stop. The priority remains drinking water, comma, duplicate billing of bore wells are raising fresh bills for already sunk bore wells will not be tolerated. Full stop. Next para. Revenue Minister G. Parameshwara said that 75 taluks have experienced dry weather for 4 consecutive weeks and has directed officials to undertake ground, comma, which would help the state government take timely and appropriate action, full stop, stop.